To clean your m-VROC 2 after a measurement, first remove the chip, syringe, and reservoir package. Start by removing the green fitting that attaches to the reservoir. Next, remove the syringe, and using a pair of tweezers, remove the black gasket that sits between the syringe and chip inlet. Do not clean the chip inlet even if debris is in the surrounding area. Attempting to do so may inadvertently push debris into the channel inlet. Checking to make sure the gasket is no longer present, we can then attach the elbow fitting to the back of the reservoir. Next, place the chip assembly onto the CCS and attach using the blue lever. Next, screw the fluidic adapter into the inlet. Now select the correct cleaning protocol for your sample and press Start. While the chip and reservoir are cleaning on the CCS, clean the gasket and syringe. Start by rinsing the gasket with the 3 solvents used to clean on the CCS. Then expel any remaining sample from the syringe. Separate the syringe plunger from the syringe barrel and clean the plunger with those same 3 solvents. Next, repeat the process on the syringe barrel interior as well as the syringe barrel threads. Now, using compressed air, dry each of the components to remove any remaining solvent. Now that all of our components are clean and dry, they can be put away and stored, ready for the next measurement.